again. Yep, back in the trusty TW. And let's look in the mirror. Brennan's behind us in the 1086. This was some of the original plan to have 2 tractors going today. But sometimes you just go to hell in a handbasket. And we had the tire pop on the 2+2. So we did a quick once over on both of these. I hadn't planned on things being so dry so quick. And obviously I've been focusing on the 2+2. I just had to do a quick grease of the front end, hit the universals, check the oils. The 10 was easy, check its oils. And away we go. I still need to do an oil change, but hey, what's 5 hours of run time before the next oil change? And then I'll get all the oil circulating after winter. For any of the goop that's settled out, it'll be, you know, resuspended so it'll drain when we change oils when it rains next week. Well, let's get the plows. Let's get going. Yeah, we're heading back to the field to get the one chisel plow, and then we got a quick run to my uncle's to get his. So we got 2 of these going. Ready? It's going to be really tight back there. Oh, look at that. First try. Went on so much easier than it came off. What?
Oh, it snapped on my finger twice.
Oh, you don't need that finger.
I might need that in about 2 weeks. Lift up a little bit.
Perfect. Okay. What do you think of this, Bame Farm fans? We've got 2 chisel plows going. Let's see how many acres we can get covered before dark. The 2+2 was having troubles, but now we've got 2 tractors. It's like it's split and away we go. This field of beans was so horrible it also did not get harvested. I went down and back and just couldn't get them in. You might see a few rows, but it wasn't worth it. It was horrible. Some years you have that. And that was last year. So it's kind of cool looking at the back. Got Brennan back there. And we are rolling. Now let's see how not dry it is back here, because that was the dry section up front. And back here we can hold moisture. Well, because of how well things didn't go earlier today, it's a bit late, and I don't feel like taking too much time to film right now. But we're just gonna enjoy the view. We got 2 tractors out here chisel plowing. We just had to play with the geometry on the 3-point on this to get it to go in the ground and stay in the ground and stuff. I don't know who made Uncle Jim's chisel plow. It's a bit weird. Definitely makes me a big fan of my Oliver. So this is the view. The sun's in the background. Maybe we'll go on the other side and not have overexposure from the sunlight. There we go. Better coloration. Fresh turned dirt. It's amazing. So this is 12 bottoms and that's 8, and the 10's just walking away with 8. It's not taxed at all. I'm needing all 4 wheels turning to pull that one. Okay. Well, we're making pretty good time. We're out here in like the biggest wide open section of the field, almost right down the middle. Nice thing is it's saving fuel. He says he's not running it wide open. It's nice not needing all the power. I mean, we're making a little bit of smoke. Probably could give it a hair more fuel. Got it rolling good now. I have no clue who made this chisel plow. I guess with the right adjustment, it works better now. I was a little worried at the beginning. Old school cool with all those weights. Look at them big stacks hiding inside the tires there. How deep are we getting? Maybe halfway to China. Not quite as cool as the 2+2, but we're still making progress. Next man in. It's the only joy of having all the tractors, is that if you have a breakdown, just keep going, pick a new one. Getting it now. Gonna start burning the midnight oil. Enjoying seeing all the gauges lit up. Got the LED light bar out front. Some LED spots out back. A little bit of flood capacity. Just going. Got our earbuds in, jamming to the tunes. Just gonna have a wonderful Friday night out plowing. at old pictures from this date in previous years, so you know, middle April, and it's like never been this warm for the longest time. Most of the time the trees really don't have many leaves yet around here. So we're early. I'm enjoying it. Hope the dryness sticks around. It is delightful.